Are you looking for the better work-life balance? Then Carinthia is the perfect place for you. Austria's hidden gem, surrounded by beautiful lakes and mountains, located in the heart of Europe. At a time of unprecedented demand, Carinthia is looking for motivated people in many specialized fields. Here, every season paints a new picture of beauty, inviting you to explore and relax among its numerous lakes and mountain vistas. In Carinthia, tradition enriches innovation. Its cities are hubs of diverse culture, creativity, and growth. Achieving work-life balance is easy here. Career ambitions in harmony with the Carinthian lifestyle, which values family, nature, and well-being. And now, more than ever, Carinthia is opening its doors to those who are passionate about making a difference in their field. With a high demand for skilled professionals, your career has the potential to flourish like never before. Carinthia, where your journey matters.